So guys, I'm going to walk 9 o'clock till 12. Then 12 I'll enter another one. I'll do it 12 to 1:30. You know. So I'm almost late. Washing. I'm going upstairs. That is my walking place. Ciao Pina. So that is my working place. I wanna start. Stay tuned. You will love this video. So that is it. She's inside cleaning. Ciao Pina. So guys, I will go on now and prepare vegetable for his in-law. So today I will be using only carrots. I'm cooking this pasta for him. Let me get onions, which is not here. He's in diet. So guys, I'm just coming back, upstairs, So I'm done with my 2 hours in the morning. So right now I want to take my breakfast. I only take a coffee in the morning when I wake up. So I want to take milk with biscuits. Then I will start going to my second job. It's 5 minutes trekking, so it's near. So right now I'll take my breakfast, then I'll start going. Then in the evening, but in the evening I don't think I'll carry you along, because in the evening I normally go to work. They give my madam medicine, stay with her like 30 minutes. She will take her lax medicine, then I will change her, put her in the bed. Then her daughter will come and join her, because I don't sleep with them. They are two, but I don't sleep with them because of my family, So that is it. So I will not take you along, changing. So, you know, so that is it. Let me take my milk. I should take juice. No, let me use juice. Cause no time, no sun. Let me take juice. So guys, how are you guys doing? I hope everybody's fine. We have started school. So after 2 hours, I'm going to do now. I'll come back and I will make my children lunch. I think I will take you along in my lunch, when I'm making my lunch. So that is it. Hey guys, so I'm running so late. Always late. Always late. I'm almost near.
Bescuita.
Tutto rotto.
Ma allora che tengo lì da
Che ti hai
fare?
rubato tutto rotto, famiglia?
Ma allora...
I'm done. I'm almost done. Kenji. What's that doing? So guys, I'm going. So guys, I'm manazinono. I finish your more long tata. For the Zankayas. So that is it. If I name me nobody batteries. I know. I washed clothes this morning, so let me spread clothes first before I will start cooking. So that is it. Mamma mia, che caldo. Che caldo. I'm spreading clothes. So guys, I will not start cooking. So let me put water for pasta. Guys, I'm so tired. None of my children is back. I'll be using this condish is salsicha, you know. This one is more easy, you know, because no time I'm tired. I'm also hungry. So I'll be cooking this pasta is the same. Chidima will soon be back. So oggi usa condici già fatto. Già fatto o già fatto. So I'm using it. So I'll add my olive oil. White pepper. You know it's ragu, you know. So I don't need much. I don't need much because she have already prepared, you know. So there it is. My water is boiling. Yes, Jima is back. She's now in secondary school. Just one. Just one. So she'll be eating in the house now, not like before. So, Kota Emandadla, thanks for watching till now and see you in my next video. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, I don't like to talk when I'm. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and on the notification bell so that you will know anytime I upload a new video. Love you all and God bless you. Bye bye. Ciao.